my name is Dinesh Murugan. So today I'm going to share about the most interesting topic and might some of us can get knowledge from this topic. So now straight away we go to the topic. The title is insurance. Why we should have insurance coverage for us. First of all, I want to tell the reason why today I choose this topic to talk is to make realize all the good benefits getting from the insurance coverage. Because as the agent in AXA FP Life Insurance in Laka branch, when I try to find prospecting, my clients most commonly asking same questions, which is why should I take insurance? Now I'm straightly coming to the point. Insurance playing an important role in everyone's life, especially protection to their life, and also provides saving plan for your future use. Insurance protecting you and your family against financial setback of unpredictable circumstances such as disability, death, hospitalizations, critical illness, and also accident. Insurance also provides comprehensive medical care. Some insurance branches, medical plans gives you the freedom to choose healthcare that you want with amazingly high yearly coverage and also no lifetime limit on the total amount that you claim. Insurance giving you peace of mind up till your golden years. Insurance saving plan provides guaranteed annual income to realize your financial dream. What's more, you will have the market-leading innovation of combining your steady return with access to for investment-linked funds to enhance your returns. With access to 4 investment-linked funds to enhance your returns. Life insurance actually the one of everybody needs. It is a type of financial protection to anyone who both. Those are the reason why should buy insurance as I mentioned before. Life insurance is an agreement between insurance policy holder and insurer, where the insurer promises to pay an amount of sum assured to beneficiary upon the death of life insured. The premium is either paid regularly or in lump sum. So the concept of life insurance is repair the house before it rains. It is common that we prepare umbrella even it is a sunny day. So last but not least, insurance has helped the development of international trade on a large scale. According to V.A. Dinsley, insurance is a device for the transfer of risk for an individual entitled to an insurer who agrees for a consideration called the premium to assume to specific extent losses suffered by insured.
Over the years, how we live our lives have changed. But there are some things that will never change. And one of it is the importance of providing and protecting your family. Now, let's see what are some of the concerns. This is Adam. Often, there are times he wondered during the long hours at work, if something happens to him, would he be able to maintain his family's lifestyle and education? Peter enjoys a healthy, active lifestyle. But what happens if he were to suffer from a disability? Would he have enough living benefits for both himself and his family then? Lastly, we have Alfred. He only has enough money to either enjoy his golden years with his wife or save it for his grandkids' future. We always work and hope for a better future. Protect yourself and your family against the unpredictable nature of life. This product provides a long-term coverage up to age 100. If any unforeseen circumstances occur before the age of 70, additional accidental benefits would be provided, and a high sum insured to adequately protect your liabilities and living standards. Your family will get a lump sum payment as a financial legacy if something unfortunate happens to you. AXA knows the value of family and understands the importance of living each day with peace of mind.